The gilded promise of Meghan Markle's return to the screen has crumbled, leaving behind a bitter aftertaste of shattered deals. Netflix, once hailed as the platform for her post-royal resurgence, has reportedly pulled the plug on Pearl, her animated series, and now, sources claim, her highly anticipated cooking show, With Love, Meghan, has met a similar fate. This abrupt cancellation, insiders allege, stems from a fiery and irreconcilable confrontation between Markle and Netflix co-CEO, Greg Peters, a clash that has left the streaming giant reeling and the Duchess's culinary ambitions in tatters. The reported dispute, far from a polite disagreement over creative direction, is described as a brutal fight. A clash of egos that exposed the stark disparity between Markle's perceived expectations and Netflix's hard-nosed business realities. According to leaked accounts, the core of the disagreement lay in Markle's insistence on an exorbitant budget and creative control that Netflix deemed unsustainable and, frankly, unreasonable. The Duchess, accustomed to the opulent world of royal patronage, reportedly demanded a production scale that mirrored her former life, complete with lavish sets, celebrity guest appearances, and a level of personal involvement that bordered on micromanagement. Peters, known for his pragmatic approach and focus on profitability, is said to have pushed back forcefully, arguing that the show's potential viewership did not justify such extravagant spending. The resulting clash, a battle of wills between a Hollywood outsider and a seasoned industry veteran, is said to have been explosive, leaving little room for compromise. This alleged altercation isn't merely a clash of personalities, it's a symptom of a larger disconnect between Markle's perceived brand and the realities of the entertainment industry. While her royal background and celebrity status undoubtedly command attention, Netflix operates on data-driven decisions, prioritizing content that delivers demonstrable returns. The Duchess's demands, perceived as unrealistic and out of touch, are said to have alienated key executives who questioned her understanding of the streaming landscape. The idea that a cooking show, even one fronted by a former royal, could justify a budget comparable to a high-profile drama series struck many as ludicrous. The reported fight with Peters has fueled existing concerns about Markle's perceived lack of collaborative spirit. Whispers from behind the scenes paint a picture of a demanding individual, accustomed to deference and resistant to feedback. This narrative, while unconfirmed, aligns with previous reports of strained relationships with staff and industry professionals. The notion that she would engage in a brutal fight with a CEO over budget and control, therefore, reinforces the perception of a person unwilling to adapt to the collaborative nature of television production. The cancellation of With Love, Meghan represents a significant setback for the Duchess's post-royal career. Netflix, once her primary platform for reinvention, now appears to be distancing itself from her brand. The reported clash with Peters has not only jeopardized her cooking show but also cast a shadow over her future collaborations with the streaming giant. This alleged falling out serves as a stark reminder that even royal connections cannot guarantee success in the cutthroat world of Hollywood. The fallout from this alleged conflict extends beyond Netflix's boardroom. It raises questions about Markle's long-term strategy and her ability to navigate the complexities of the entertainment industry.